3 rounds in 15 seconds, and then total silence as a 48-ton fortress vanishes into the dust. This is the reality of modern artillery combat, where standing still for just 3 minutes means becoming defenseless against a swarm of loitering munitions. This brutal vulnerability left the Turkish military facing a strategic nightmare during their northern Syria deployments, when older artillery designs were exposed as highly vulnerable to rapid counter-battery tracking. On paper, their only tactical salvation would be an immediate next-generation upgrade. This is why Turkey built the T-155 Firtina II. Leading global defense analysts to argue that this new system is a direct response to modern attritional warfare. The Turkish Ministry of National Defense formally accepted a fresh mass production batch of these advanced platforms in April 2026. Built by BMC Defense and packed with Aselsan electronics, this platform marks a major milestone in Middle Eastern military self-reliance. Previous combat data from regional border operations proved that hydraulic turret systems were prone to catastrophic fires when pierced by shell fragments. In response, the 2026 upgrade features an all-electric turret drive, replacing dangerous hydraulic fluid entirely while integrating the advanced Volkan 2 fire control computer. With a 52 caliber barrel capable of hurling projectile rounds out to 41 kilometers with base bleed ammunition, and up to 56 kilometers using smart guided munitions, Turkey has effectively secured its border perimeters. Western defense restrictions previously slowed this project by denying engine components, but a 2026 contract for 32 Allison Transmission X1105, a 4 cross-drive units, has successfully restored the production timeline toward a target fleet of 160 vehicles. Before we go on, what do you think is the most critical feature for modern artillery survival? And tell me where you are watching from. Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Peeling back the armored shell of this 48-ton Titan reveals a digital revolution that fundamentally redefines self-propelled artillery. Moving past the legacy designs of the original Fırtına 1, the 2026 next-generation platform completely eliminates the traditional hydraulic turret drive. Military engineers discovered that pressurized hydraulic fluid was a primary point of failure, rendering vehicles useless and crews exposed when internal lines caught fire from kinetic strikes. In response, Aselsan replaced the entire mechanism with an all-electric traverse and elevation system. This critical hardware upgrade is fully integrated with the newly developed Volkan 2 fire control computer, a system that serves as the central brain of the platform. The digital architecture automatically interfaces with a fully automatic ammunition loading system, a massive leap forward that increases the maximum rate of fire to 8 rounds per minute. For rapid fire operations, the automated loader can slam 3 projectiles into the breech within just 15 seconds, allowing the crew to execute multiple round simultaneous impact missions, where 3 separate shells strike the exact same coordinate at the exact same moment. This devastating firepower is delivered through a robust 155mm 52 caliber barrel manufactured by MKEC. While standard M107 projectile rounds offer an effective range of 18 kilometers, the deployment of high-explosive K307 base bleed ammunition extends that range to 41 kilometers. For deep precision strikes, the system utilizes advanced smart guided munitions to neutralize high-value assets out to 56 kilometers. To counter the growing threat of low-altitude loitering munitions, the turret roof is equipped with the SARP remote-controlled weapon station. This defensive station mounts a 12.7mm heavy machine gun that utilizes automated thermal tracking sensors to establish a local defensive envelope, ensuring the platform is never left defenseless against autonomous airborne threats. An advanced fire control brain and automatic ammunition loading system are useless if the heavy armored hull cannot move. This engineering reality forced BMC Defense to confront the most critical industrial challenge of the entire program, which was securing a reliable powertrain. The original production timeline suffered severe delays when previous export restrictions from European suppliers cut off access to German MTU diesel engines and Renk transmissions, leaving several early hulls vulnerable and incomplete. To bypass this strategic bottleneck, Turkey redirected its procurement supply chain toward North American propulsion technologies. Entering the first quarter of 2026, the global heavy equipment manufacturer Allison Transmission initiated direct deliveries under a major follow-on contract to supply 32 units of their X-1155 A4 cross-drive automatic transmission system. This vital system features 4 forward gears and 2 reverse gears, specifically engineered to manage heavy-tracked combat platforms. When married to a robust 1,000 horsepower diesel engine, this mechanical core allows the 48-ton Fırtına 2 to reach a maximum sustained road speed of 65 kilometers per hour, with an operational cruising range of 360 kilometers. Leading global defense analysts argue that this component delivery effectively unties the logistical knot that previously crippled Turkish mass production lines. By securing these 32 specialized cross-drive units, BMC Defense is actively stabilizing its manufacturing schedule to meet the ambitious acquisition target of 140 to 160 active front-line vehicles for the Turkish land forces. This technical resolution guarantees that the newly deployed units can maintain rapid tactical movement across rugged border terrain, ensuring the armored fleet remains highly mobile and never exposed as stationary targets for long-range counter-battery strikes. The strategic arrival of the Fırtına 2 into active service extends far beyond securing regional border sectors along the southern perimeters. By achieving stable mass production for a targeted fleet of 160 vehicles, Turkey is shifting the commercial balance of the global defense market. Historically developed from the technology of the South Korean K9 Thunder, the newly optimized 2026 Turkish variant now emerges as a direct market competitor against its original design mentor. With a unit cost estimated between $4,500,000 and $5,500,000 United States dollars, this platform delivers cutting-edge digital fire control at a significantly lower price point than West European heavy artillery platforms like the German PZH-2000, which frequently commands over $10 million per system. Leading defense analysts argue that this aggressive localization model is forcing military planners in Hanwha Aerospace to accelerate their own automated K9A2 and K9A3 development cycles just to protect their market share across the Indo-Pacific and the Middle East. Ultimately, the development of this vehicle yields a profound lesson in defense engineering. True military resilience is not bought, it is built through industrial persistence. By systematically replacing foreign subcomponents with domestic alternatives like the Volkan 2 software and all-electric drives, Turkey transformed a vulnerable supply chain into a foundation for sovereign military power. This transition demonstrates that mid-tier nations can successfully shatter Western technology monopolies if they possess the political will to endure initial embargoes. As autonomous systems continue to reshape the modern landscape, it remains to be seen how long traditional heavy artillery can maintain this operational dominance. Do you believe that advanced heavy armor upgrades like the Fırtına 2 can survive the next decade of autonomous drone warfare? Or has the era of the massive tracked artillery piece finally come to an end?